everyone, the case is building a sustainable community outreach program. The overview of the scenario. The city of Santoville has seen a significant increase in homelessness and unemployment over the past few years. The City Council has partnered with local nonprofits to establish a sustainable community outreach program to address these issues. This program will focus on providing resources such as job training, temporary shelter, mental health services, and nutrition support to those in need. However, the City Council faces challenges in terms of funding, communication, effective resource management, and public engagement. So your team has been hired as a consulting group to design an actionable plan for the program, ensuring it is financially viable, well-documented, and publicly transparent. You will need to address specific aspects of program and develop and management to make this initiative successful, sustainable, and well received by the community.
The Santoville Community Outreach Program aims to build trust and encourage participation by effectively communicating its goals, progress, and achievements to various target audiences, including the City Council, nonprofits, volunteers, the public, and program participants. For the City Council, the program will highlight its positive impact on reducing homelessness and unemployment, ensuring financial sustainability, and emphasizing community support. Nonprofits will be engaged through collaboration, regular updates, and joint initiatives. Volunteers will be motivated by clearly explaining the program's mission, available rules, and showing appreciation for their contribution. To raise public awareness, the program will address the urgency of homelessness and unemployment, showcase its solutions, and encourage community involvement. For participants, clear information about available services, eligibility, and personalized support will be provided. Communication channels will include a dedicated website, social media platforms, newsletters, community meetings, public announcements, targeted email campaigns, and brochures or flyers distributed at events.
For recording and reporting, to ensure the success, sustainability, and transparency of the community outreach program in Santoville, a comprehensive framework for data collection and reporting is vital. This framework includes several key components, which is first, it involves setting clear or SMART objectives and identifying key performance indicators or KPIs for tracking program effectiveness such as job placement and shelter occupancy rates. Various data collection methods will be employed, including surveys, interviews, focus groups, administrative data from partner organizations, and financial tracking through accounting software. A secure centralized database will be established to manage this data, ensuring privacy and compliance with legal standards. Regular performance reports will be created, tailored to different stakeholders and made publicly accessible to keep the community informed. Additionally, a feedback mechanism will facilitate continuous improvement, aided by annual reviews of the framework's effectiveness. Training will be provided for staff and volunteers on the data management processes, while community engagement and data collection will be enhanced relevance. Overall, this framework will allow the Santoville Outreach Program to monitor its performance, assess participants' outcomes, and maintain transparent financial practices, thereby bolstering its credibility and support.
For budget and financing, to finance the Sustainable Community Outreach Program in Santoville over the next 3 years, a comprehensive budget plan is crucial. The budget is outlined in Year posting 100,000 pesos, Year 2 is 600,000 pesos, and Year 3 is 700,000 pesos, with a prospect of allocating over 30% for job, training programs, and 25% for temporary shelter facilities and 30% for mental health services, and 50% for nutrition support programs, and 10% for administrative costs. Strategies for securing funding include applying for government funds, organizing fundraising events. Additionally, forming partnerships with local nonprofits and educational institutions can help share costs and resources. To ensure sustainability, the program will diversify funding sources, regularly monitor its effectiveness to demonstrate impact to founders, and consider revenue-generating initiatives. By closely monitoring the budget and implementing these strategies, the program aims to secure necessary funding, ensure financial viability, and effectively address homelessness and unemployment and stability.
The public relation goal for the Santoville Community Outreach Program is to raise awareness, build support, and address concerns among residents, local businesses, potential volunteers, and donors. The messaging will emphasize the program's positive impact on individuals in the city. It is sustainability and community-driven approach while addressing concerns related to effectiveness, funding, and transparency. Campaign components will include an informative website and active social media presence to share success stories and volunteers opportunities, media engagement through press releases, community events such as town hall meetings and volunteer fairs, partnership with local organizations, and public recognition of volunteer contribution. To address concerns, the program will ensure transparency by publishing financial information, showcasing community support, or sharing data and testimonials to demonstrate effectiveness, and maintaining open lines of communication for feedback. Engagement strategies will involve interactive social media efforts, community forums for dialogue, and diverse volunteer opportunities for hands-on involvement.
For the evaluation and research goal for the Santoville Community Outreach Program is to assess its effectiveness, understand its impact, and identify areas for improvement. The evaluation framework begins with a homelessness snapshot, which includes counting individuals experiencing homelessness, conducting surveys to understand their needs, collaborating with organizations that collect relevant data, and gathering unemployment statistics related to the target group. Progress will be tracked through metrics such as changes in homelessness rates, job placement percentage for participants, shelters, usage patterns, mental health services, utilization, nutritional support distribution, and participant satisfaction via regular surveys and discussions. Data will be collected through pre- and post-program surveys, interviews, and financial records to ensure efficient resource use. Results will be analyzed through quantitative and qualitative methods, with regular reports generated to summarize findings. Continuous improvement will be supported by establishing a feedback loop for stakeholders and conducting annual reviews for the evaluation plan. Lastly, findings will be shared with stakeholders through reports and publicly published summaries to promote transparency and accountability.